Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video today is all about my new shaving kit that I got from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. One of my favorite brands that I've ordered from before. I've had several pucks of soap from them, but this is my first time getting a shave set, and I wanted to share it with you. It's pretty cool. This kit is absolutely incredible. I was highly shocked by the overall amount of quality. Starts with a very good quote there by Benjamin Franklin, which I thought was a nice touch. This kit came with a few cool things. The receipt actually has a puzzle piece on it, which I thought was cool. Get a little sticker there, which is fun. It's going on my lunchbox for work. A lot of really neat promotional items and a guide on how to traditional wet shave. Along with this really handy guide, they also have a really cool thing on their website. They have some videos up and some guides that you can go to howtowetshave.com, or you can look up Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Some really cool stuff. This box is of high quality. I can't get over it. It's got the magnetic flap. And here we go, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Shave Starter Kit. Wow, guys, I cannot get over all this. Let's dive a little bit deeper and let's look into each element of this shave kit. Now, I will say this shave kit was, I believe, $39.95. I believe so. It was like $40-something altogether with tax. And let me tell you guys, it was worth every penny. First, let's look at this brush. This is a synthetic brush. It's, I believe, a 24mm brush, and it is fantastic. The Green Ray by Phoenix Shaving. Wow. It is very sturdy. It is very comfortable in the hand, and it is amazingly soft while still being quite firm. And it looks like the bristles are actually very well made into the brush, so I don't suspect we'll have any kind of shedding. Next item I want to talk about is the actual razor, guys. This thing weighs about 600 pounds. It is very hefty, very sturdy, and just overall amazing. Very well made, from just the details on the shaft, just the three pieces and how they fit together very snugly. Just a very high quality made razor. Now, I'm used to the razors you get from, let's say, Walmart, Target, maybe some drugstores, things like that. And this one is a whole nother level. So make sure you get this kit, if only for that really good razor. They've also included some of these really great blades. They've got 10 blades in here. I've never heard of these brands before, like Shark, and this one here is called Voskod. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but anyway, Teflon coated. Really cool. I'm very excited to try these and see how different blades act with my face and see if I can get a better shave. Alright guys, the star of the show here, the Artisan Shave Soap. This stuff is made so well, has all kind of wonderful ingredients in it, all kind of oils and natural products. And this scent here kind of caught my eye because I absolutely love Pinard Clubman. I've used it for years, you know, and I'd get it from Sally's or something down the road. But this is a way more masculine way of getting it, guys. And look at that quality of handmade soap. Is that not great? That's a perfect amount to get you started to see if you like the scent. And then from there, you can order a full puck and go up in size or whatnot. But guys, this stuff smells absolutely incredible. Here I'm taking a whiff. It smells just like Pinard Clubman, if not better. Speaking of smelling like Clubman, this right here, this stuff, guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am. This stuff smells like Pinard Clubman, but I think it has more vanilla notes, and it smells a little softer, if that's the right way to say that, like a soft vanilla man. But you know, I'm like still a hard guy, you know, I'm still muscular and all that. But anyway, sorry. Okay, here. This is Rosalind, my daughter. She is sitting, she's saying, so soft, over and over again. She can't get over that, the softness of that brush. This kit was such a good decision, guys. If you have not experienced the high quality traditional wet shave and the handmade soaps, guys, you need to go check out their website today. My guys out there, if you are not doing the traditional wet shave and you're still on those cartridge razors or that subscription program or whatever you're on, you need to get with it and go old school, because it is much better on the environment, actually much better on your face, and a lot more enjoyable process once you learn all the little tips and tricks and hacks and all that. So if you would like to see me do a shave tutorial and actually shave and show you how I do it, to help teach you and help you get a better shave, just put down below, because I've got some growth going and I really need to shave very soon.